Thank you for joining us in this video. It's a quick one, repairing your tire. If you have a flat tire, you can do this on your own. Typically, we will go to a store and get it fixed. You can go to places all over town, if you live in town, and get this repair done. So it's usually more convenient to do it that way, but sometimes you're stuck in a situation where, yeah, you actually have to do it yourself. We're not really in that situation, but I decided to do it myself to show my son, the cameraman. So give me. That's my boy. I'm gonna show him how to do it, and he's my cameraman. We call him short stuff. 6'3". It's still growing. That's 1.9 meters. Anyways, all right. So you can get these kits. You can get these kits all over the place. The internet, brick and mortar stores. You can probably get them at gas stations. So in the description of this video, I'll have a link to an equivalent kit. Basically what it is, they're the plugs, the scoring tool, and the insertion tool. Back when I was a teenager many years ago, and I had to repair at least one flat with this type of a kit, so I'm familiar with using this kit. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is get the tire off the car. For this, we're using the jack that comes with the vehicle. Next thing you want to do is you want to identify where the screw or the nail is at in your tread. For us, you can see it's right straight here on the tread. What you don't want is you don't want it to be outside of the tread, because if you have a nail or a cut outside of the tread, then it's not repairable. It has to be within the tread portion. Just keep a note of that. So we're in the clear, so time to fix it. I'm gonna try to unscrew it out of here, but it's kind of rounded off to where I can't really get anything inside of it to spin it out, because it is a screw in my case and not a nail. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and try to pry it out. Let's see if diagonal cutters work a little bit better than the pliers I was using. They can kind of get I don't want to cut them, but the diagonal cutters have a nice little wedge to them, so I can get a good grip. Pliers. Nice. Anyways, it's clear where the hole is. It's great. So we want to use the scoring tool. It has a serrated rough edge on it, and we want to insert it into the hole. Don't remember it being this hard, but we are in the thickest part of my tire. But we want to make sure we get this all the way down. Okay. We filled the tire up with air to make the scoring process a little bit cleaner. So we want to make sure we score it really good. Make sure that hole is going to be good. For when we put the plug in. So go ahead and insert your plug into the other tool, like so. So now insert it like so that it's all the way through. Don't go all the way down, but far enough to where you know it's through the other side. When you're comfortable, one quick motion, straight up. Just like that. All right, you don't want to twist it or anything, straight up motion. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the diagonal cutters, cut them off flush. With the tire, just like that. All right, what I want to do is I just want to make sure, get my little X-Acto blade. I want to for me, I just want to make it level with the tread for my own personal satisfaction. I didn't want any of it sticking out. And then I'm going to take some soapy water. I've got air in the tire, and I want to put some soapy water over the top just to make sure that it's not bubbling. If you see some bubbles, not the bubbles I'm creating here, but you'll see a bubble whoop, come up, and then you'll know it's leaking. But since we don't see any bubbles, and we're good. In our case, it's 33 PSI, so we're good. We're pressurized. I'm gonna do one more soap check. It's not blowing up like bubbles, so that means it's holding air, and we've got a fully filled tire, so our plug is holding. Perfect. This is what I like about having a son who's taller than I am. He's superhuman, and he could put tires, and the best part, he can put my tools away. Truck back on the ground, and we'll just go ahead and finish tightening these up. In a star pattern. Just like that. And that's that. Conveniently located next to the plug kits at the brick and mortar stores, you can get these nice chrome tire caps. You can reward yourself for doing such a good job of fixing your flat tire by changing all your valve stem caps with chrome. And that's what we're going to do today. Feels so special.
If you like turkeys, you should check out our turkey videos.